These are 5 models, all from crealitycloud.com, and I shall be printing them all on a K1 Max. I'm using a variety of Creality filaments here. The white is the only one that's a PETG, the rest are PLA filaments. This first model is a baby dragon by Jean-Pierre Spellbrock. I hope I said that correctly. This doesn't use any supports and it came out nice and clean. The wings just slot in, a little bit of glue to hold them in place. And this is actually a free model. And that's it, and in my opinion quite a neat little design. This next design is a Creality Logo Box, and it's by Creality 3D, and this again is a free design. It's got partition sections in the centre, and this is PETG, and again it all came out nice and clean. This uses M3 bolts or screws to hold the box together. It's all listed on the Creality Cloud page, so if you follow the link it gives all the details of everything needed to put it together. And of course a little bit of super glue just to glue the white in the top of the logo, and a little section that goes in the R of the Creality. I put some small boxes underneath the lid so the inserts can sit in there and dry properly. And once that was dry, I started the assembly of the box. Two of the shorter bolts go in the back of the box. The ones I had have hex key or Allen key to tighten them. Now the assembly of the model shows 2 short ones at the bottom front, and everything else is connected to the top, the catches and the handle. Now I did do it this way, but later I reversed it and put the handle at the bottom and the catches at the top, which is personal preference, but I prefer it that way. And that's all assembled. I thought this was quite a neat model and a nice little storage case. I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet, but yeah, it looks quite good. This next model is just a fun sign for Christmas. Santa stop here, we've been good all year. There's 3 versions. There's the main version, there's a version with holes to fix it to the wall, and there's a version with a hook on the top. This model does require a filament change over from the red to a white filament to finish it off. This next model is Frank the French Bulldog in a bunny costume, and it's by Happy Flex Pets. I did put support on this because I increased the size of it because I plan to paint it. This is a model once I've painted it. Not the greatest job, but again, a nice fun little model. My daughter seems to like it. This is again another free model, and the link will be in the comments. And this last model is a sliding curved medium box, and it's by Luigi Buonogiuomo. I've no doubt I butchered that name, but that was my best version of it. There's no support required for this model, and again I used the Creality Pet G, and I just used a yellow Creality filament, PLA filament. This model slots together with a little bit of glue in the holes. I didn't really have any issues getting it together. I just caught the top when I put it together, but that wasn't a problem. It slotted back in, and it's best to just lay it flat, I found, to slide the two pieces together. As you see here, I just caught a little bit of the top, but that just slotted back in. And that's it, complete. Again, I don't know what I'm going to use that for, but I've no doubt I'll find a use for it. And that's it, that's all 5 of the models. I shall put the links to them in the comments. Thank you very much for watching, and a like and follow is always most appreciated. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to ask, and I'll do my best to answer.